Reservations. We have Rana Sheikh and Misbah Khalid with us, and it is now time for the fun round, the double A round, which is, my dirt machine comes into play as well. So, shall we start? Misbah. Okay, basically I'm going to throw something at you, and you have to respond to the first thing that comes into your mind. And I will come to you as well. Alright, here we go. Shah Rukh Khan or Imran Khan?
Imran Khan.
Most talented actor in the industry?
Shah Rukh Khan.
No, in our industry.
Pakistani industry. Faisal Qureshi, I think.
Actually, he is a good actor. Yeah. Pakistani men are?
Too boring.
Alright. Pakistani women are?
Too boring again.
Really?
I think so. I mean, they should be smarter and they should have more fun in life. They don't have enough fun, actually.
Are you speaking about yourself?
Yes, I know. I am speaking about myself.
Alright, okay.
To have some fun now, eh?
Alright, okay. Do you think a woman can give 100% at work and at home?
Yes.
Okay. And I know you work really hard at trying to achieve that. Would you want your daughter to follow in your footsteps as far as the TV business is concerned?
If she wants to, yes. She wants to be a model.
Okay.
She has my support.
Alright. The most, and considering you're an emotional person, this will be a tough one to pull out. The most emotional moment in your life?
I think when my dad died.
Okay. That was a tough time for you. You were very close with him.
Very, very close.
Okay. Your idea of luxury is?
Being in Paris, roaming around in a limousine, having my own jet, and just generally having a good time and not thinking about money.
Yes, that would be a wonderful one, wouldn't it?
And making as many movies as I can. I mean, like, no problem. I'll finance yours also.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart.
I have a
When will that be? When I'm ready to drop dead?
All right. When did you first fall in love and with whom?
That's terrible. I have to go back to my husband, okay?
Really?
I'll have to go back home now, so I can't really tell you.
Sorry, no dirt here, Khalid. All right. Your guilty pleasure?
For me to know.
For you to know.
I'm not sharing that one.
All right. Describe yourself in 3 words.
Okay. Romantic, sensitive, and very special.
Okay, I like that. I love the confidence.
Yes,
That's wonderful.
Yes.
All right, let's come to you. Now, you met Shah Rukh Khan.
Yes.
Describe him in 2 words.
Oh, wow. He's...
no, I hope those aren't the 2 words.
No. he's sexy.
Okay.
And he's charming. And he just is so charismatic.
Okay, clearly the words just keep going. So you really enjoyed meeting him.
Yeah, I was floored.
All right, okay. Rank the following, and don't hold back. Geo, PTV, ARY.
That's not a fair question.
Of course not.
As it is, I have enemies. Aisha, what are you doing to me?
It's all right, but it's okay. You're going to make a film now with Misbah, so it's all right.
I would actually put Geo first.
Okay.
ARY second, and PTV third.
Okay, fair enough. The most beautiful man in Pakistan, apart from Ali Salim.
The most beautiful. That's a tough one.
Misbah, you have this grin on your face. I know what her answer is.
I've done my thing.
I think Shan is gorgeous.
Okay, yes, he is actually.
I really quite like.
Okay, marriage is?
It's tough. It's a relationship that you have to work on for the rest of your life till you drop dead.
Yes, absolutely.
That's what it is.
I'm sure you have, but I'm going to ask you anyway. Have you ever had your heart broken?
Oh, yes. But I don't want to talk about it.
You don't want to talk about it? It was just too painful. All right, fair enough. If you could change one moment in your life, what would it be?
My mother's passing. I was 13 years old.
Well, that's very young. That's very young. So it was tough growing up then, I imagine.
Yes, it was. And until today, I can't really, I talk about her and I can't deal with it.
Okay, okay, fair enough. Rate the following directors: Javed Sheikh, Talat Hassan, Syed Noor, Talat Hussain, Syed Noor, and Shoaib Mansoor.
Oh, definitely Shoaib is number 1. Definitely. I think Syed Noor is an enormously talented man. And he reads a lot and he listens to ideas, and I've talked to him a lot. I think somewhere along the way he sort of compromised for some reason. Otherwise, I think today he'd be the best.
Really? Okay.
And between Javed Sheikh and Talat Hussain, I really have no opinion.
Okay, fair enough. The most vulnerable moment in your life?
I mean, when I've done so many things that I didn't want to do, but I felt vulnerable and I did it. I mean, I did a lot for BB. I worked with her, and I somehow felt very vulnerable in her presence because I was very fond of her, and I believe that in that entire period we developed a very beautiful relationship. And there were so many things she asked me to do, and I did them.
You felt that you shouldn't have?
Maybe some of them, yes.
Okay, fair enough. The most obnoxious actress in the industry?
I want to know this one.
I can't do this, Aisha.
Come on.
You can't do this to me.
Of course. Misbah's like nodding.
There are so many. I mean, really, it's hard to choose.
Doesn't matter. Just pull one out.
I mean, frankly, I think Meera is an awful actress.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Fair enough.
So is that woman, what's her name, who's a top star?
They're all top stars.
In Sayyid Noor's film, what was her name?
Oh,
Saima.
Okay. Okay. So you think she's an obnoxious actress? Okay, fair enough. Rana Sheikh, the producer director, or Rana Sheikh, the activist? So there's a very strong activist side to you as well.
Well, I bring the activist side into the director.
So they both kind of correlate with each other.
So there's no problem.
You two have been phenomenal guests. Thank you so much for sharing, for being candid, for being honest, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much
for having us.
Thank you. Wonderful having you here. I hope that all of you enjoyed listening to what Rana and Misbah have to say. They're sharing, they're being open about their lives, their experiences. And next week we're going to have some new guests with us right here on No Reservations. Do tune in. Remember, it's Sunday evenings, 9 p.m. Don't forget to switch on your television channels. It's Sunday. You should be relaxed and at home. The next day is a working day. See you then. Good night, all of you.